Zeroken, now.
Right, bro!
Ultimate demon technique, final skill.
Avidia Holy Water!
What is this power?
What's wrong, Zeroken? Is that all the power? No. All the feelings you have toward Goldion? Don't give up! Release your innocent heart to save Goldion!
Please open your eyes, Master!
Yes! We did it, Blip! Killia! Zeroken!
What the? What's with that super dark energy?
That hideous miasma! That must be the power Void Dark was using to control him!
What an evil energy. I've never seen anything so evil. At least now he isn't being brainwashed anymore.
Why are you still alive? I thought I killed you.
Void!
Killia, you always were an eyesore.
Void! You! I'll kill you!
Now, hurry up and unleash me. You actually do know, right? That I can kill Void Dark in an instant? I don't care what happens. This guy, I'll kill him with my very own hands!